Bonjour, sports fans. As the world gears up for the 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris, there's more than just athletic talent on display. This year, AI technology is stepping onto the world stage like never before, transforming how we experience the Games. But how exactly is AI being used in the Olympics? Let's dive into it. AI-driven security system. First up, security. With thousands of athletes, officials, and spectators from all over the globe, safety is a top priority. AI-powered surveillance systems are being deployed across the city in Olympic venues. These systems use facial recognition, behavior analysis, and predictive algorithms to identify potential threats in real time, ensuring a safe environment for everyone. Smart venues. Next, let's talk about the venues themselves. Many of the Olympic stadiums are now smart venues, equipped with AI-driven systems that manage everything from crowd control to energy efficiency. Sensors and cameras around the stadiums monitor crowd density and movement, helping to prevent bottlenecks and ensure a smooth experience for fans. Plus, these systems can adjust lighting and temperature automatically to reduce energy consumption, making the games more eco-friendly. Athlete performance analytics. But it's not just the venues getting smarter. Athletes are too. AI is revolutionizing how athletes train and perform. Coaches and teams are using AI-powered analytics to monitor every aspect of an athlete's performance, from heart rate and muscle activity to sleep patterns and diet. This data-driven approach helps athletes optimize their training, reduce the risk of injury, and even predict the best times to push their limits. AI in broadcasting. And what about us, the fans? AI is transforming how we watch the Olympics too. Broadcasters are using AI to enhance coverage with features like automated highlight reels, personalized content recommendations, and even real-time translation of commentary. Whether you're watching on TV, online, or on your smartphone, AI ensures you get the best possible viewing experience, tailored just for you. AI-assisted event scheduling. Behind the scenes, AI is also playing a crucial role in managing the logistics of the Games. With so many events happening simultaneously, scheduling is a massive challenge. AI systems are being used to optimize event scheduling, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and that the right resources are in the right place at the right time. So there you have it. From security and smart venues to athlete performance and fan experiences, AI is making the Paris 2024 Olympics not just a celebration of human achievement, but a showcase of technological innovation. Get ready to witness the most advanced Olympic Games in history. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the 2024 Paris Olympics and the incredible tech that's driving the future of sports.